That's the sound of progress. We're giving a lesson on how to chop wood. Got some students from Tampa. What school again?
Academy of the Holy Names.
Academy of the Holy Names, Tampa, Florida. The universe is crazy, man. They're chopping wood, and I've just decided that I am starting my new project right now. We're doing it right now. This is it, the first hole. This first hole right here. Take this, Mercury retrograde. I've just started my first holes for my new project here at Poppy's grave tomb. At Poppy's tomb. And we have a group of students from Tampa, Florida, chopping up firewood for the local community and learning about chopping firewood for the first time. There we go. That was almost, that looked dangerous. Let's see if we can catch a full swing here. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, doing it. The energy is amazing, and everybody, I believe, is enjoying themselves. It's absolutely phenomenal here this morning.